This video is a demonstration guide on how to use GSK. GSK installation is divided into 4 parts: CMS, Manager app used on the manager device, controller, and GSK app installed on the display device. The overall process is as follows. First, create an account and store on CMS. Second, install the Manager app on the manager's device. Third, install and place the controller. Fourth, register the controller on the Manager app. Fifth, install the GSK app on the display device. Sixth, register the display device on the Manager app. Finally, connect the controller to the GSK app. If you follow this process slowly, you should have no problems with installation. First, let's learn how to create an account and store on CMS. Let's start by creating your account. First, click on the Sign Up button on the login page. You'll be asked to choose a user ID. Type one in and check if it's available. Then fill in your name and email address. A verification code will be sent to your inbox. Once you verify your email, set up a secure password. After that, based on your store type, select either SES or CNR Store. There are 3 types of roles: Store Manager, Country Manager, and Subsidiary Manager. Please select the one that applies to you. For this example, we will proceed as a Store Manager, and thus select your store's region, subsidiary, and country. Next, you need to enter your store information. There are 3 ways to enter store information. The first way to register a store is by finding your store from the store list. Click Get Store List, find your store, and select it. The second way is to enter the store ID that is registered on RMS. Enter the store ID, then click Search. If the ID is found, the store name will be auto-filled. The last option is to manually create a store, such as pop-up stores. If your store is not found in the store list or is not registered in RMS, you can register it manually. Select Enter Manually and write store ID and store name you want to create. Finally, provide a brief self-introduction and explain your reason for signing up to the administrator. Agree to the conditions of user and privacy policy and click Sign Up. Approval may take up to 24 hours. That's it. Your request will be reviewed, and you'll get a confirmation email once it's approved. After your registration is approved, log in using the account you signed up with. To log in, you will need to complete 2-factor authentication. There are 2 methods available for 2-factor authentication. The first method is using Google OTP. Download the Google Authenticator app from the Google Play Store, then scan the QR code displayed on the screen. Once the OTP is generated, enter it to complete the login process. The second method is using the email you verified during sign-up. Click the Email Authentication button, and a verification code will be sent to your email. Check your email for the code, enter it in the field, and the login process will be completed. After logging in, the first page you will see is the dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of various GSK system statuses. In the Summary section, you can check the number of registered stores, controllers, and devices. The Global Status section provides not only the total number of stores, controllers, and devices, but also additional information such as the number of lock events and how many devices currently have GSK activated. The Top Caution section highlights stores with a high number of lock events. You can filter the data by time period and also view the results per device. The Alarm chart shows lock event trends on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. In the lower part of the dashboard, various graphs are displayed showing details such as device status, alarm history, device types, security types, device theft incidents, and device sync status. On the store page, you can view detailed information about each registered store. You can check the store ID, store name, as well as the status of devices and controllers registered under that store. When you click on a specific store, you'll be taken to the store detail page. In this detailed view, you can see the store's operating hours. By clicking the Edit button, you can change the store type and operating hours. Operating hours can be set individually for each day of the week. If you check the box labeled Apply the same opening hours to all, the same hours will be applied across all days. Security features are designed to operate only during the store's opening hours. On the device page, you can view detailed information about all registered devices. You can edit or delete any device as needed, and by clicking the PIN button, you can issue a PIN code that allows you to unlock the device in the event of a lock. Clicking on a specific device will take you to its device detail page. Here as well, you can issue a PIN code by clicking PIN for GSK. In the device detail page, you can check the device's configured security type, the current GSK version, and view lock event logs that have occurred on the device. On the controller page, you can check the current status of all registered controllers. You can edit or delete any controller, and also view the QR code attached to each controller. Clicking on a specific controller will take you to its controller detail page, where you can view more detailed information about that controller, including a list of devices connected to it. When you click on Service Manual under the Guide category, you can access the setup guide for GSK. Clicking GSK Guide on the left will download the setup guide document. Clicking the YouTube guide on the right will redirect you to the YouTube channel where the video tutorials are available. From there, you can select and watch the guide video you need.